Hello friends, today we're going to give you a tour of the Lumberjack Hotel in Sonora, California. This is a completely renovated hotel. It is a former motel. Let me show you outside how it looks so you can see it's one of those roadside motels, but it has been completely transformed, renovated at a significant cost. Here are the beds. This room has 2 queen-size beds. You have a nice rug here between the beds, a nice desktop or nightstand here with a alarm clock that allows you to plug in your phone but also charge up your phone. Look how cute this is with the remote. So the remote is actually hidden in this leather casing with instructions. So very thoughtful, tons of details. The lighting fixtures are all high quality. The furniture is super high quality. There's this cute artwork that has been installed as well. Pivoting over to this side, you have the desk area. It is a super large desk area. Before I show it to you, let me just show you the full length mirror right here. And then pivoting here, you have the full length desk. It is a large desk, again, very solid furnishings. Look how the wires and everything is super hidden so you don't see it. It keeps this clean look. Large TV, your phone, tons of plugins. Look at this: HDMI, Ethernet cord, USB, regular plugs. I mean, it's amazing. You can definitely work from here comfortably. You also have a coffee machine, a microwave, one of those vintage style microwaves that matches the look of the room, and then your ice bucket and your coffee. Again, look how well done this is with the leather paneling on this casing that is for your ice bucket. Super cute ice bucket. And then your tea and your coffee here, even decaf. You know how much I love decaf. Then down below we have a safe on that door, and here we have a refrigerator. It is not stock, it's just to store your extra items when you're traveling. Super convenient. Oh, here you have the hotel book. Again, leather casing with instructions and all sorts of cute little things, and even a postcard to go. You can take this with you as a memory of it, and it is called the Lumberjack because it is in this area near Yosemite National Park. So there's a lot of wood and forest nearby, and there's a lot of lumberjacks that work in this area. Here's the closet. You have a built-in closet here with hangers, plenty of space for your belongings. And then lastly, or almost lastly, you enter the bathroom. Very spacious bathroom. I like how they did the barn style door so that when you open it up, it doesn't really take away space from the bathroom. You can actually walk into this bathroom. You have your toilet, your sink, your amenities there. You have a makeup towel, the soaps, the towels here, toilet paper, and then on this side you have a shower, very large walk-in shower with I just love the fixtures, very modern, and your amenities are here stuck to the wall. Lastly, look at how thoughtful this is. There's a bar here, and you know what it's for, so that you can put your feet there while you're trying to shave your legs if you are a lady. Or maybe if you're a man that shaves his legs too, that's perfectly okay. And then to finish up, there's a little cubby hole here, or a niche, and it's a desk area, another desk area. So there's a lamp here, there's some tissue paper here. I actually need to blow my nose, let me take some tissue. And there's another desk area. The reason that I love that is because if you are traveling with multiple people, maybe one person needs to work, another one needs to eat, so you have multiple areas to do that. Even though this is a very cozy room, you still have plenty of space to do that. So overall, excellent work here on the Lumberjack on this renovation in Sonora, California. Enjoy! Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of a second room before we finish up here. This is a king room, and this room feels a little bit more spacious than the other one and has some unique attributes. Like it has a bench right here. Look at the custom at the throw, it matches the style of the hotel with the lumberjack design. You have your desk again here. You have a leather sitting chair over here. And then the bathroom is a little different. So this whole area is the bathroom. It's just absolutely massive for this type of hotel. To the left, you have a sink. Your closet is right in front of me. So let me open it so you can see. So that there's the closet. And then to the right, you have the bathroom. So again, this feels extremely spacious. Just walking in here, you can turn, you can move around. It's really, really a large room. So I wanted to show this one to you as well. Enjoy.